Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. These are some images featuring style references. So I'll show the images first and then talk about some resources you can use for these. So this is a kind of a cartoony one, but uh, I liked all of these that I'm showing. I like this one a lot. This is watercolor type style. And not sure what this is, but this one is kind of a down overcast style. So you can see a little kind of rainy. All of these are featuring Paris in some way. This is a collage style and a photograph. And my goodness, these photographs are so good. Like, I guess maybe if you look closely enough, you can see something wrong with one of the eyes, but it's just improving so quickly and getting so lifelike. Really amazing. Okay, so style references can be used in different ways, and one of them is through numbers. And that's what these are featuring. So I have a couple of scripts that I will put on my blog. So uh, this is one of them. So this one is a catalog of style references that have been contributed by Midjourney users. And this was from a web page. This is a web page. Uh, I'll try to include the reference to this web page as well. I'm sorry that's not coming up. Anyway, there's a web page that has them, so I'll include the web page. And what I did was I gave these to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT looked at them and analyzed them, and then came up with a catalog entry for each of the images. And very cool. It's just amazing that it can do this. So there's about 40 of them, I think. So this one has the catalog with images. And then another one I'll have is the catalog without images. And if you're using this with ChatGPT, I suggest using this one instead of the one with the images, because it would probably not work with the images. You'd have to, like, save them to your hard drive and upload them individually, something like that. And the idea of the catalog entries is ChatGPT has already gone through the heavy lifting of describing what they are, so it can just use these without the images. And the ones with the images are for your benefit, so you can take a look at them and see which ones you like the best. And then finally, I have these instructions. Not sure where I put it, but it doesn't matter. I'll include it in the video. I have one of these has a script for ChatGPT on using the style references. So there'll be three of them. One will be the catalog of style references that just has a catalog that you can look at. Another is the catalog, but with images that you can look at. And then the third one will be as a part of a script. So it'll have the catalog at the bottom of the script as an appendant sort of thing that you can use with ChatGPT. That's what I used here that I was showing you. I just basically said, do some featuring Paris, and it came up with the images that I showed you. There's a lot more than these. These were just the ones that were my favorites. So hope you enjoy playing around with this, and thanks for watching. Until next time.